Alright, we're on to the next project, and that's going to be the kitchen match box. And you probably could find this maybe even in a smaller box and use the smaller matches. But I just love these kitchen matches because they have a good striker on the side, you know, and they're real long. They're easy to use. That's why I like them. Okay. And if it's in this decorative box, when you need them, they're a little bit easier to find. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is paint this in. Today I'm using this green paint. This is called Local, I almost spilled it. It's called Local Color. It says formulated and mixed in Merle's Inlet, which is down at the beach in South Carolina. Local Color chalk finish paint. Shake well before using it. And it comes in a glass jar. Like I said, I use all kind of paints. This one, when we were at the beach that day, that store had this particular color on clearance. And I really liked that color. And I have really been, it goes a long way. I've been using it for all different types of things. Just going to put a light coat on here because that card's going to be glued to the top. And we're going to pick out the card while we're waiting on this paint to dry. Because the card's not as big as the box. So I'm just painting this so we'll have a border. Okay, now I'm just going to smooth it out so it'll dry faster. Okay, now you can see right here how that brush kind of comes down and feathers it. I think that's cute. I'm going to leave it like that. Just going to feather it just a tiny bit. Okay. Alright, let's let that get dry. And let's pick out, I'll put the lid back on this paint. Alright, and let's pick out a card. Okay, we need the card to be in this direction. I believe that's called landscape. Thought I saw one in here with some little dogs on it. So hard to choose. They're all so beautiful. Oh, there it is. Let's use these little dogs. Okay. You always got to check on the other side to make sure you didn't like the back better. And you can even see where this picture looks like it was originally, you know how they stamp it at the library? It looks like it must have been originally like a library or a museum piece. Cut around the edges. And you could use your old Christmas cards, gift wrap paper, whatever you find that you like, and you think somebody else that you're going to be giving this to would like. They're going to love it anyway because you made it for them. I love it when people make me gifts, take their time to do something nice for me. It's almost dry. That's one good thing about chalk paints or mineral paints, those different types of craft paints like that, they do dry fast. Now this is what we're going to use. This E6000 spray adhesive, and it says to shake very well. And it does make a different sound once you shake it really good. So shake it really good. Okay. I'm going to spray. Now, do this outside or in a ventilated area, okay? I'm doing it inside because the wind's blowing so bad out there today, you wouldn't be able to hear me. Alright. Turn it around this way. Okay, I got my glue on there. You see those little bubbles? Okay, they're gone. That's a cake decorating tip. Like when you put your batter in the pan, you can do like this right here and the bubbles come up. Alright, so we got the latch going that way, so the picture needs to face that way. Put that on there. Being careful not to get paint on my hands to smear on the picture. I got a little piece of, no, I think I want to use a cloth because I want to get the extra glue off. Okay, look at it, see how it's peeling up? Because this paper's a little bit different than tissue. So, I want to dab the paint, dab that extra glue off. Okay. I got this little piece of plastic. And start in the middle. See the extra glue coming out there? Swipe that off. Just work your way to the edges. Same way you would decoupage, but this is not decoupage medium, it's glue medium. Which decoupage is a glue also, but push the extra out. I'm turning it in the light so I can see if I see any air bubbles in there. And I don't. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And I'm going to leave the sides this natural color. I'm not going to put anything in there. Now, do we want to put something on the inside, on this part? Let's see if we can find another image to put on the inside. Let's see, we got dogs. Let's stay with the dog thing. Oh, okay, and this one's got words. Let's use this one. And I like it better than I do the one on that side. So, this says, a Merry Christmas. May all the hours of Christmas and of the New Year too give help and peace and comfort and happiness to you. And there's a collie in front of the fireplace. I may go down and get me another one of these books to have for next year. And I think I'll get two. One to keep and not cut up, and the other one to have for next year. If they still have them. Oh, I almost got it right on the first time. Just a little bit off the top. Perfect. Put a spot of glue in there. And you're going to have to take a minute to rub it in because it will curl up on that side. Just rub that in. Okay. Put Matches in there. Okay, it's another project finished.